how to fix error loading mods in Minecraft. Now, what I'm going to be providing you is the very basic troubleshooting step out of them all. So first things first is open up your Windows icon, type in run, hit on enter. And from here, all I have to access is from app data. Now hit on OK. And then in here, just go into roaming, and then go into .minecraft, and then lastly go into mods. Now you should be able to know if the mods that you downloaded is actually compatible with the version of your Minecraft client. If the specific mods you downloaded is not listed one here, that means that the mod you're downloading is not compatible with it. So you just have to download and have to be matched with the specific version of your Minecraft and then the version of the mod that you're using. And that's it. That's how you fix error loading mods in Minecraft.